Welcome to Daffodoo. Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make seed or plant Rakhis. These Rakhis will last you memories for a long time. So for that we need soil, maida or corn flour. We need seeds. I'm using fenugreek, tamarind and spinach here. We need dory, lace or any thread strings. We need little bit of oil, water and a knife. And if you want, you can use non-toxic colors as well. So let's get started. Firstly, I have picked the soil from one of my planters. So you can do the same. We need not run for terracotta soil only. So I have used 3 cups of soil here, 3 portions of soil. Just pick out any small pebbles or stones which you have. Then add 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of maida. Then mix it really well. And then slowly we need to knead it with the help of water, pouring little by little. Make it into a smooth dough. If you want, you can use gloves. I prefer to do it directly with my hands. Knead it neatly and create a small bowl of clay. The dory, you can use any ready-made dory or satin lace as shown in the video, or I have made a small dory using normal sewing machine thread. I have wrapped it around 20 times and given 2 knots. So let's make the Rakhi now. Take a small portion of the clay which we have made. Keep the oil and water aside so that we can dab in between to smoothen the work. Now create a small oval, keep the string in between and press from both the sides so that the string will be in the center part of the circle which we are going to make. Smooth with water and oil whenever it is needed. So after making it, you can use small caps, any small baby clips or anything which you have. I am using a flower shaped mold here. You can even use the cookie cutter if you have. And then I am cutting it across the border of the flower shape which I have created. Always don't leave the Rakhi on the plate. Just lift it up and then smoothen out so that it won't stick to the plate later. After smoothing the edges, one of our star Rakhi is ready. For the next one, I am using a circular portion of the clay which we have made, and now you can directly add the string by pressing it in the center. Help of little bit of water, press it in the middle so that it fixes correctly. And then you can use any kind of mold. I did not like this flower mold, so what I did is I have added small balls of clay to the edge to create a small flower. You can add water wherever required and blend it with the base of the Rakhi. This is how I have created on all the edges with little small ball. Our flower shaped Rakhi is ready. Now this is how it is. For the next one, I have made a small ball. Then I am pressing the string and smoothing it up with water and dab little oil wherever needed. Oil helps us to reduce the cracks later. So I've used a flower shaped press and I'm just giving the 4-lobe flower kind of thing by pressing in between with the knife side. For the next one, I have already made a small ball with the string. Now I will add small drop petals on 4 sides of the circles which we have made. Just take a small oval and pinch it at the edge and create the drop. We need more 4 for this Rakhi, all 4. So I am using a small incense stick so that because it will be a little bigger, so it won't fall off when it dries. I'll fix it on both the drops as shown in the video. the help of little bit of water and oil, blend it in with the center portion. So this is how our flower rakhi is also ready. Next one. Next I've made a simple round rakhi. I'm using here spinach seeds, fenugreek seeds and tamarind seeds. Use green grams and beans, etc. This rakhi I have small tamarind seeds which I am adding it to the petal so that it enhances the look. And as for bigger trees, all the seeds won't get germinated, so one of it would germinate is the hope in this rakhi. For this flower I am adding the fenugreek in the center part. I will cover it up with a little portion of clay on top. Get germinated as the soil is not very wet soon. The star rakhi I am just dabbing the spinach seeds onto the top, and I am not covering it up so that they won't get germinated fast. You can use it after a couple of days. And in this I am adding fenugreek seeds again, and I am just adding this non-toxic holy colors so that they'll enhance the look, and if it is for kids they will love the colors on this. This can give them happiness if the seeds germinated after the celebration. This is how it is turned. Now for the final one, I used only one bean seed. I will just add a little bit of chandan and kumkum and a little bit of rice for a traditional touch. So this is how our rakhis are: the star one, the flower ones, the simple circular one and the colorful one. I hope you've enjoyed the making of this earthy and non-environment friendly rakhi. After drying it will be like this, as I have tied it on my son's hand. It didn't break and will last after the festival as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and like and share with friends and family.